Hi everyone, this is Sonia here from Growing Craft. Thank you so much for joining. And now in today's video, we are going to learn how to make. Ta-da! Now this is a 3D box album. So these are quite simple to make. And why to make this? Because we make a lot of pop-up cards, we make a lot of 3D cards, we make cards with a lot of elements. Now how to store them? The flat envelopes are not going to work out. So this is one of the most easiest way of making a beautiful box card, which is like quite a deep depth where you can like keep a lot thicker card inside it. So I have put up the measurements and the supplies list in the description box. You can even check it on the video itself, and do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Let me know your way of making the box envelope cards, and let's start with this one. So now this is a cardstock of size 12 inches by 12 inches, and हमको score करना है. So with the scoreboard, you of course you are going to get your scoring tool and the margin. So हमें दो sizes में score करना है. One size is going to be 3.78 inch by 4.38 inch. So पहले हम करेंगे 3.78 by 4.38 inch on two sides of the paper, two opposite sides of the paper, as I am showing it to you in the video. And you have to repeat the process. आप चाहिए तो अपने स्कोर बोर्ड पे मार्क कर सकते हैं. It's going to be pretty easy आपके नेक्स्ट लाइन के मार्जिन के लिए. It is such a cool process of making your box envelope. This is my way of making it. Let me know your way of making your box envelopes. Now for the second size, I am taking the margins of 5.5 inches by 6 inches. Now we need to repeat this on both the sides, the opposite sides of the paper. This way you will have a very nice and clean margins on all the four sides, and you can see the shape of your box. So as you can see, I'm just scoring this with my bigger scoring tool because I really like it. I love it. I think it is way more easier with your paper crafting projects because it makes my work much more easier rather than having a small scoring tool. So yeah, after your scoring is done, you have to make sure that you fold them really well, and you also need to make sure that your margins are really visible. Now once my scoring is done, I am first going to cut all the four extra corners. Now you need to cut as it is shown in the video. Do make sure that you use a good quality craft supplies, good quality cardstock, so that whatever you make lasts long. Now after cutting all the four corners, then it is time to fold. And now one of the very easiest way of folding is जो भी आपकी scoring lines है, just keep on folding that, right? That is one of the easiest way. So if you want, you can use your folding tools, your craft tools for that. You can use your bone folders. It makes your work much more easier. Now whenever you are folding it, you have to make sure that you do not add any extra crease or line. That will save you from having any shabby project. And once you are done with it, you need to fold one of the corners. Now I'll tell you why we need to fold it. So this is our first. What I do is I just put it on my craft mat and I just fold it randomly because there is nothing specific about the measurements of this area, and I'm going to immediately add my adhesive and stick it. Now for sticking my folds, I use these kind of paper clips. They make my work much more easier. Now I'm sticking the other sides also. Now the first fold what we had done was just to make a neat album shape here, and once I'm done with alignment, I am going to add few more clips, and once this dries out, my envelope is ready. So this is such a fun and easy way for creating your box envelopes for your cards and your albums. Now once I'm done with the drawing, I am just going to remove all the pins and I'm going to add my pattern papers. Now for sticking the pattern papers, here I'm using my liquid adhesive. You can use your tacky tapes. They also work out pretty well. Now one of the best use of adding your pattern paper is, of course, they give the design to it. Secondly, it adds a lot more strength to your project. So here I've taken a floral pattern. You can choose the designs of your own. Let me know your way of creating your box envelopes. I would love to know that. And yeah, once this is done, my envelope box is ready, and this is how it looks. So this was my way of making the box envelopes, and yes, I really hope that you guys liked it. Do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, and thank you, take care, and bye bye.